Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and quite a few of you guys have in the past couple of weeks moved on to 21H1 and are wondering what's new, as this is of course classified for Microsoft as a feature update. For me, a feature update is more of the really big feature updates that were before. This is more like a little service pack if you want. But Microsoft still wants to say a feature update. To note of what's new in here, really nothing much. There's Windows Hello multi-camera support that is added here in this new system of 21H1. So if you have multi-cameras that can actually use Windows Hello, there will be the possibility now in accounts and in the Windows Hello features of sign-in options to have multiple cameras working with Windows Hello. Apart from that, the only other features are for the more advanced versions of Pro and Enterprise with the Windows Defender Application Guard performance and the Windows group, the WMI group policy performance stuff. But apart from that, really, it's just, bug fixes also in there. Something that was supposed to make it, but is going to make it only in 21H2 coming up this month, is the secure DNS over HTTPS, which is a new, more secure way of actually connecting to the web. But this didn't make it at the end. And finally, of course, it is going to be in 21H2, one of the few new features. Once again, 21H1 is a cumulative update, very small update. So it's not going to take very long for you to upgrade to this. It's not like one of those big feature updates in the past. The Windows version, because a lot of you are also asking me, 21H1 is what exactly as a Windows version? It should show up simply as version 21H1 build 19043. And as of this video, which is November 10th, 2021, you should have the ending at .1348. That would tell you that you have the latest security updates. When you upgrade to the latest feature update, the updates are usually installed at the same time. So any people upgrading from version 2004 or 20H2 to 21H1 should be at this version when all is installed. The question for a lot of people also about the 18-month cycle, because we had 18-month cycles when there were big feature updates and all, but there's a definite question here to be asked, and we're going to talk about it in a separate video for Windows 10 today. The future of these 18-month cycles, what's going to happen, and we're going to kind of extrapolate what we think is going to happen with the very small amount of information Microsoft is, of course, telling us all the time. Once again, I would recommend that everybody that is on Windows 10 move on to at least 21H1. Why not? It's a small update, doesn't really, it works well, has no problems, and you'll be at one of the latest Windows 10 versions anyways on your PC. And of course, 21H2 coming this month. A lot of people are asking what date, when will we know? No date. It's one of those weird things of Microsoft again. But, someday we're going to wake up and we're going to say, hey, look at that, 21H2 is rolling out. So I expect this within a couple of weeks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.